PowerHold is a revolutionary receptacle that redefines efficiency. Terminations in 10 seconds or less, superior wire retention, and color-coded levers, PowerHold creates faster and more accurate installations for even the most inexperienced contractors. Let's take a closer look at two installation methods, traditional versus PowerHold. On the left, we have a traditional receptacle that requires screws and manual adjustments. On the right, we have a PowerHold receptacle device that requires minimal tooling. PowerHold's color-coded levers reduce the risk of miswiring, while an audible snap confirms the lever is securely closed. It also makes the wiring process easier and safer with no exposed terminals. And in 10 seconds or less, the PowerHold termination is complete, while there is still a lot of work to complete your traditional installation. Boost your productivity, take on more projects, and make every minute count with PowerHold, the smarter way to install.